What's up guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant and today we're going to be checking out this Govee Glide wall light. And if it's anything like the other Govee products that I've tested in the past, this should be absolutely amazing. Taking a look at the outside of the packaging first then. So it is the Govee Glide wall light. RGBIC. And in simple terms, that just means that these lights can display multiple colours at the same time. Govee Home app, so yes, it does have its very own app that you can control the lights with. Music mode, which means the lights can go to any music that you are playing. Warm white, cool white and daylight, 16 million colours, works with Alexa, works with Hey Google. Looking at the end of the box then, and we can see smart voice control, multiple scene modes, colourful lighting, dimmable, segmented colour control and set timers. Let's take a look at the contents then and popping the lid open, and we have our quick start guide there and user manual. Then we have the actual light segments themselves. Now there are 6 of these in total, each being 30 centimeters long, and as you can see on the back, we do have tape on there, but I'll tell you what is very clever is that you can in fact take that off because it's basically like Velcro, so you can move these around to different positions if you want, and no doubt replace those as well. So I do like that idea. So yes, 6 of those in total. Next up, we have our plug, and the cable on that is very generous. It is 1.8 meters long. In the final box, we open this up, you can see we have another cable, and this connects onto that plug that I just showed you, and that there I believe is a microphone which will pick up sounds so it can change the lights to the music. And then this piece connects to the very first segment, and simple enough to put together. If you can see, you've just got pins there and there, slot it together and just push it home like that. Now that piece of cable is 1.2 meters long, so when joined with the other one, totals 3 meters from the plug to the first light section. And the final thing that we have in the box is a corner piece. Right, we've now moved up to the bedroom where I have installed the Govee light just above the headboard there, and that was simple enough to do. So let's turn on and see exactly what it looks like. And wow, that looks absolutely amazing. I'm sure you will agree. And this thing has got so many different modes on it. It's just unbelievable. And the brightness is just outstanding. So at the moment we are using the app. And again, that is really simple to set up. And we're just using some of the pre-done scenes for us. So this is rainbow. And what I'm going to do is change up these scenes just so you can have a quick look, and I'll be turning the lights off as well in a minute. So that's ocean, and then we've got meteor just there, then that's aura, stream, and there's just so many categories: natural, life, emotion, festival, funny. So let's go to emotion then. So we got energetic there. We've got romantic and siren. Look at that one. I think this is just unbelievable. I cannot recommend Govee's products enough. Good quality, and the things that they can do are just absolutely crazy. So we've got stacking. And in a second, what we're going to do is fire up some music, turn the lights off, and let's do its thing. Greedy snake. And of course, as well as all of these, you can just have one solid colour, or you can program it to do whatever colours you want, different combinations, so on and so forth. It's almost endless. It really is. Like I said, these are just the pre-done stuff. It's just a minefield of things. And the app, fair play, it works a treat. It connected up really simply. It didn't have any issues connecting or anything like that. So it will work off the Wi-Fi, so you can do all this from anywhere. So that one's crossing. And, I think you could just have hours of fun fiddling around with this. And it just adds a bit of sparkle to a room. I mean, this is just transformed our bedroom no end. It just looks really, really nice. Okay, we are now in music mode. And this is going to be using that microphone on the cable. And obviously, as you can see, the lights are now going to the music. And we have a number of modes that we can change to. So this is hopping. And then we are on energetic. Then we're going to go to rhythm. Just look how bright that is. And strike. Bounce. And finally, vibrate. Well, there you have it then, guys, and excuse my missus who's decided to jump into shot for a thumbnail before I've even done the outro. So yeah, that's why she jumped on the bed. So anyway, if you have enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, then why not? So hopefully I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.